Welcome to RBL. Today guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Bubble Mailer Survival Kit. You can tell it's a very basic bubble mailer, nice and sealed up. These would be perfect to put together either for the grandkids or gifts or something like that, or just put together yourself and always have them in your pack. You know, you can bust it open. The container doesn't cost that much if you want to go ahead and get another one or have a whole pack of them. Yeah, go ahead and bust this open. This has a very nice sealed area up here, and try to bust it open without too much. Like I said, these would be perfect for the packs or in a vehicle or something like that. Just throw it in between the seat or under the seat and kind of forget about it. And then you got the foam, not the foam, but the bubbles to kind of just, you know, make it less noticeable. It won't make that much noise, all that jazz, and protect everything. Right on top, we have our signal whistle, very basic stainless steel whistle. We also have a pack or a pair of 2 10-hour hand warmers to keep us warm as well. We have a rolled up Mylar emergency blanket. These are really good for reflecting your heat back at you, especially with a hand warmer in between. Not in between, but added to the equation. Here we have some 550 paracord, tied up some trash ties, just keep more compact. For cutting, we have, oh, it's not how she's supposed to come out. Well, the sheath's somewhere in there. Let's see it. I don't know what she has stuck on. Here's our homemade sheath, so she just got caught right there in that bubble. But right here is our, I want to say Mora, but it's a Light My Fire Mora. They have a nice ferro rod in the handle. That is always awesome. It's a nice emergency or survival orange. Yeah, it's a great knife. Not full tang, sadly, but it is a great blade by Mora, as well as a nice little place to put your hand through. Lanyard. Is that a lanyard? Hand lanyard. You also have a emergency candle that's burned down to just about like an hour, maybe half an hour, but it's something. We also have 2 packs of Heinz mustard, just for a little boost. It can also be used as a anti-infectant. We have some UCO stormproof matches. These are great for starting fires in damp environments. As well as a mini Bic lighter, a little bit of duct tape in the end, so you have a place to loop through it or have it going around your neck or something like that. For another boost, we have some peanut butter in a tube. This came from some of the humanitarian MREs, so stuff is good. You just get it mixed up. Got 28 grams of it. Nice little boost. And it's sweet. A lot of things in the wilderness aren't sweet, so having this to go along with anything you get or have or run across is pretty good if you get anything to eat with that. Here we have our clear rain poncho. And we have our water purification tablets here. A little USD Striker box container. For fishing, let's have our single line, single hook and sinker. We also do have this survival card that has these backup hooks, as well as a fork or spearhead, 2 needles, an arrowhead, and 2 line collectors. And yeah, a little fishing kit there. Oh, got everything popping out at me. Another way of signaling, we have our micro flash. Is that it? No, Star Flash Micro Series. Get it wrong every time. We're gonna get it one of these days, guys. But that is a great little signal mirror. Has a lanyard loop. Has a little viewing hole or aiming, what you want to say. Yeah. We also have a survival card. I know people say these are very useless, but for the fact that I didn't bring a Swiss Army knife or a multi-tool, I wanted the accessibility of can opening, bottle opening, all this other just random stuff, just to have it, and the screwdriver as well, because all I have is this blade, and that kind of makes me vulnerable to other situations where utility would be a great plus. Yeah, if I had a bigger kit or bigger container, I would definitely add in a multi-tool. Multi-tools we don't really think about it, but they are great additions to survival. The ability to repurpose almost everything around you. Here we have our first aid kit. Has some aspirin. You got some Metalite. Try to keep this all on the screen for you guys, but I don't know how well it's gonna work out. We have some sting relief pads here. Always great to have in a first aid kit, especially in the outdoors. Non-aspirin. We have a pack. I believe we have 2 packs. 2 packs of triple antibiotic ointment. So if you don't want to use your mustard for that, you have that. We have a pack of ibuprofen, as well as sunscreen. We have our bandages, of course, just the basic sizes, as well as 2 butterfly style band-aids. At the bottom, we have our water filter straw or filtration straw. This one is from Frontiers. These are great little straws, very compact, very lightweight. Still do the job correctly. Here's my compass. Although a very basic compass, it still does its job. That's all I can ask of it. And then I know everyone's wondering about water collection. We actually have 2 gallon-sized Ziploc bags exactly for that purpose. So you can go ahead and collect and carry as much water as you need. And that is the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would change. And let me know how you guys are spending your weekend. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for watching the video.